morning, everyone. How y'all doing? We're gonna do something that I've been wanting to do for a while, something that I've been just 50-50 about. I don't know, I just don't want to regret anything. I overthink everything, but you guys already know that this year I've just been wanting to do more and not overthink so much of my life, especially the smaller decisions that aren't like, they're not like life altering, you know? So we're gonna go get our hair done, you guys. The most that I've done to my hair is cut it. That's literally all I do to it. I've never done even any like tinting, or what is it called when you just do like a gloss. I've never done that, but I was like, you know what? Summer's around the corner if it hasn't started already, and I really want to add some dimension, add some highlights. I honestly don't know what we're doing. I had my sister help me out with this big decision, and she actually asked chat. She kind of explained kind of what I told her that I kind of wanted. So we're going off ChatGPT, y'all. Like, we had chat put like different hair colors on me, and I chose the one that I thought looked best on my skin color because I want something that complements me. I don't want something that's gonna wash me out or just that doesn't completely go with me. So I'm really excited for you guys to come along with me on this vlog, and it's gonna be, you know, a maintenance vlog, but this is like the main event, y'all. Like, this is the main event. You guys saw I started off with waxing my armpits really quickly because my arms are gonna be out today, so I just had to get that done, you know, really quickly. I really wanted to do my press-ons before today, but it just didn't work out, so we'll just do the rest of our maintenance throughout the weekend. I also have plans after my hair appointment, so I'm really excited to be able to, you know, go out and show off my hair. One of my cuñadas, her little sister is doing my hair. I love them both. And we've got Roxy with us. Yeah, we got our homegirl over here. She's literally my bestie. She's my partner in crime. And I figured that it might be just a little bit overwhelming and overstimulated, but I'd rather take that over leaving her home in her crate for too long. So and I had already ran it by my cuñada, and she said it was fine. Roxy's gonna have a yard to run in. Yeah, mamas. So I'm really excited for that as well. And yeah, we're gonna stop at Starbucks for some coffee. I asked the girls if they wanted something, but they were actually on their way already, and I have about like a 30-minute drive, so they were thinking what I was thinking. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Again, I'm really excited to see how my hair turns out. We're gonna be filming a little bit of content, some transitions. So yeah, I'm really excited, you guys. The only thing I wish I had is my little mic. I miss my mic, you guys, and I don't know if I mentioned, I think I did in my like last 2 vlogs, I lost it at my brother's birthday party, and I'm actually going to my brother's after my hair appointment. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm really excited.
I ran the world like Michelle's husband. He's such a fucking loser.
But I'm just saying, I mean, I don't plan on stopping at all.
All right, guys, we just got to Starbucks. Mamas is right there, ready to get off. We're not there yet, mamas. I'm so happy that I crate trained her to be in the car, in the crate, because if she's not, she like will be everywhere. She'll be on my lap, she'll be on the passenger seat, she'll be wanting to like jump out the window. And no ma'am, no Pam. We can't have that, huh, girl? I'm just gonna get my coffee and I'll head over to my appointment. Which is good that like I know them because I'm running 10 minutes late, but I did let them know. Like, y'all, I be running late everywhere, and like I try. I really do. I don't know how to make it out of the house like at a good time, because in my head I'm like, no, I'm good. And then by the time that I leave the house, I'm not good. I'm running late. But I'm listening to old Drake and Kanye and Lil Wayne, and like, it's like bringing back not memories but nostalgia, like that era. Oh my god. Mind you, I was like probably 10. Roxy and I are getting a little overstimulated. We're actually quiet. I don't know what she's barking at. I think she just wants to get off. I'm next in line finally. Can I have a triple espresso over ice in a venti cup? And can you add oat milk and pistachio cold foam, please? That'll be it. Actually, can I add a pup cup to that?
$4.70 at the window.
Thank you. I almost forgot your pup cup, mamas. I almost forgot your pup cup. Yeah, you're gonna get a pup cup, mamas. She's so excited. I think she knows. Hi there. Oh, I forgot. I almost forgot. Thank you.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you, you too. We got your pop cup, mamas. We got your pop cup. Are you so excited? Are you so excited?
Quédate, 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 quédate.
Cuando me metí contigo más yo no sabía que yo iba a querer verte todos los días. Ahora soy un adicto, ni me creía. Te la sabes toda como una IA. Como tú me pones, ni te imaginas. Tu cara la veo en cada esquina. Mi juego eres tú quien lo domina. En pocas palabras tú me fascinas. Después que te probé.
Oh my god, that's crazy. Whoa. Dude, hold on, let me turn it. Whoa, that's crazy.
No quiero otra más que no seas tú. No quiero otra más que no seas tú. Yo te quiero como sea. El alma tú me reseteas. Con lo rico que me coqueteas. Siempre te activa, tú no me picheas. Trátame serio y ya dejemos el misterio. Lo que tú buscas yo tengo lo necesario. Contigo yo quiero hacer un imperio. Tú eres la diosa de mi rosario. Después que te probé, no quiero otra más que no seas tú. Que no seas tú. Una mami como tú me tienes bien aficiado, enamorado. No quiero otra más que no seas tú. No quiero otra más que no seas tú.
Eso está ready, eso está
Ella nunca me pichea. Lo rico que me coquetea.
I'm scared. No, I'm not scared. I'm just like, I'm getting FOMO. Okay. Get ready. Open. Oh my god. Dude, you ate it up. It is so pretty. Oh my god. You ate yum. It's been a few days since I talked to you guys. Actually, the last time we were getting our hair done together. I haven't washed it, okay? I haven't washed it since I got it done. She wants coconut oil, so I'm gonna give her a little bit, but you guys will see why I have it. Oh, yummy! So yummy, mamas! So yummy! So, I have not washed my hair since I got it done on Saturday, and it is now Tuesday. You guys can actually see that there's still some dye on my scalp for that reason, but I didn't want to wash it because I really wanted like all the color to sink into you know, the hair, the cuticle of the hair. I don't know. I asked Google how long I should wait before washing it, and pretty much it said like the longer the better, and so did TikTok. So I just waited for it to get oily, which it's not even oily right now. That's the thing. Like, I could go another day if I wanted to, but I'm gonna go out tomorrow. She wants to go up here. Hey, no more, Roxy. No more. I'm going out tomorrow because I have the rest of the week off, and I just really want to have really fresh, clean hair, and then I'm planning to style it for the first time tomorrow. So I'm really excited to be able to I'm sorry, girl. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm really excited to be able to do that tomorrow. So I just want to make sure that I keep it real moisturized and, you know, keep it nice and shiny and healthy. So I'm going... Roxy, no! She keeps grabbing everything. She just grabbed this hair clip and she's already chewed up a couple of them. So, yeah, I just want to make sure I keep it nice and shiny and healthy. So I'm going to be doing my first oiling before I wash it. So, and I also Googled what's the best, like, natural hair mask for bleached hair. So I'm just going to take, I should probably section off my hair a little bit, no? Ay, chingue su madre. I'm not going to section it off. I'm just going to take a little bit. That was a lot. And just put it all over my hair. Stop it, Roxy. Ya te di a ti. She wants them at all costs. I don't think I'm going to go up on the roots with this one because I really want to make sure that I get like a good deep clean on my scalp. So I don't want to add to everything that it already has. So I'm just going to stick to doing this on the tips where most of the bleach went. I honestly never thought that I would dye my hair. The experience couldn't have been better because it was with somebody that I fully trusted and felt comfortable with. We filmed TikToks, so it was just such a fun time. Overall, great experience. Great first dyeing my hair experience. I do have the rest of the week off of work because I just wanted to give myself some days off and just do like some like self-care days. This vlog that you guys are watching is gonna be more like a beauty maintenance vlog, but the next vlog that I'm gonna start tomorrow is gonna be you know, just doing fun things for myself and just treating myself. I'm going shopping and stuff like that. So I just really want to make sure that my house is clean for that. So while I do that and organize my closet and all of that stuff, I'm going to leave this mask in. There's also a deep conditioning mask that I'll show you guys a little bit later that I'm gonna do when I wash it off. So I can't wait to see how that works. Roxy wants to say hi. Say hi, Musa. Say hi. Hi, friends. Alright guys, I just got out of the shower and we did our little hair mask and it felt really nice and moisturizing. Now I'm gonna do my little facial. I'm gonna start by applying bio oil on my skin, and I'm gonna take a new razor for my skin if I can figure out where they're at. Ooh, I also have whitening strips for my teeth. What am I looking for? Oh yeah. Alright, I found them. These are the ones that I use. I think I've seen them at TJ Maxx, but if not, Ulta has them. And, you know, just a regular regular razor. And you guys know the drill. I'm gonna do bio oil all over so that the razor can glide easily on my skin. Oh, I should probably apply the whitening strips right now too before I start. I haven't done this in a while, so I don't know if you guys can see. I removed the smoothing filter that I didn't realize the camera had. Hopefully you guys can see everything better now without a blur, you know? So these I got from Dollar Tree a while ago.
What's up? What's up, Roxy? What's going on?
Alright, well, pretty self-explanatory. I'm not even going to read the directions because I already put them on. But I'm going to leave them for 30 minutes. Okay. And then I'm going to get started on my skin. Or my dermaplaning. I just dried out my hair. I took off my whitening strips. I'm not gonna do these right now because it's gonna take way too long and it's already midnight. I don't know how, but I'm not even tired. I'm not even tired, y'all, so I don't know. Maybe I'll do them in the morning before I get ready to go shopping, or maybe I'll just have to wait until I come back. But I really wanted to have them for like the next few days, including tomorrow. I don't know, but my brows are done. My peach fuzz is gone. My hair is dried out. So now tomorrow I just have to style it. I think I might curl it. We'll see. I might just smooth it out with the brush or the heat brush, just depending how much time I have in the morning to get ready. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do some reading and then I'll see you guys when it's time to do these babies. Not tonight though, not tonight.
No quiero otra más que no seas tú.